Hey guys, this is me, Fuzzy Panda. Interview with my birds. Go. Penelope's purple, Perry's green. Perry, how do you like being green? Well, I kind of like being green, even though I'm not a platypus. You get that joke. Never mind. Penelope! I'm right here. Girl, thank you. Oh, no, please don't. Just don't look at me. So that's what talking to birds, huh? Bye.